Did you know that nearly 40% of instructors reported an uptick in AI-written essays last semester? Most students had no idea how to prove their work was human-made. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access and use Turnitin's AI Writing Insights tool for free, interpret your AI score bar, and keep your academic record spotless. Imagine submitting your term paper only to see it flagged for AI-generated content. What happens to your grade, your reputation, your scholarship? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to avoid that nightmare with Turnitin's free AI checker. Plus, I'll reveal the inside track on interpreting that AI score bar so you can know when to revise, when to cite, and when you're in the clear. Today, we'll cover what the Turnitin AI checker is, how to use it step-by-step, common pitfalls and false positives, workarounds if your school isn't enrolled, ethical best practices, and answers to your top facts. Turnitin started as a plagiarism detector and has evolved into a powerful AI writing detector that uses machine learning classifiers and linguistic analysis. If you're at a participating institution, you already have access. If not, I'll show you a simple email trick to try it out anyway. First, log into Turnitin, upload your document or paste your text, and choose the AI Writing Insights report. You'll see an AI score bar from 0 to 100, color-coded highlights showing suspected AI phrases, and detailed feedback. If your score is under 30%, you're usually safe, but always double-check the highlighted sections. Beware of false positives, boilerplate text, jargon, textbook quotes, and code snippets can trigger flags. When that happens, paraphrase, add original analysis, or cite properly. If your school isn't signed up, try the EDU email trick or use alternatives like Zero Light or Hugging Face's AI detector. Running your draft through 2 or 3 tools gives you confidence. Always be transparent, disclose any AI assistance, uphold academic honesty, and use detection tools as learning aids, not loopholes. Remember that Turnitin stores your submissions, so handle your data wisely. Many of you ask, can I check a classmate's paper? Does it detect GPT for differently than GPT 3.5? What about non-English texts? I'll answer all that in our facts section. Today, we've covered how to access the free Turnitin AI checker, interpret your score, avoid false positives, and maintain academic integrity. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment with your biggest AI flag surprise, and subscribe for next week's deep dive into avoiding AI detection, what not to do. Thanks for watching.